real.
Leg first, make sure it's not banded yet. It's not. Yeah. Slip the band on the leg. Check it real quick to make sure it's the band is closed and rotates easily on the bird's leg. So each band has a letter and 5 numbers on it. Okay, so now I'm going to age and sex this little guy.
I was wondering how you know.
Sure does.
This is a young female. She's got about 70%.
What's the longest you've ever recorded?
We don't know. We can't track hummingbirds that well because they're so small.
There you go. And he may sit there for a little while, or she may sit there for a little while, or she may take off fairly quickly. So, what color is this hummingbird? Green. So, wait for the plane to fly over. So it looks green, but it isn't actually green. So there is no green pigment in this bird's feathers to make it look green. If you look at the bottom of a CD or a DVD, you'll see a rainbow. That rainbow isn't really there, but it's the grooves in that CD that break up those wavelengths of light into that rainbow. So the same thing is happening here. It's the structure of the feather that is causing it to look like it's green, but there's no green pigment there. So lots of animals, from birds to insects, especially butterflies and dragonflies, use structural color to give them the really brilliant colors, those reds and greens and blues, those really iridescent colors. So if you see that, you're not seeing a real, you're not seeing a pigment, you're seeing a structural color, because you can't get those colors from pigments. Let's see if we can, let's see, you want to do me a favor? You're going to get the assist on this, okay? We're going to do, just touch it, just barely, right there. We're just going to tickle the belly a little bit. Sometimes they sit really still for a while.
I think he likes you.
And yeah, your hands might be really warm. And sometimes they'll just sit there very, very still, and then all of a sudden they'll take off. Let me see if I can. Yep. We actually had one fall asleep in someone's hand at one time. They just
did what?
They just relaxed.
Looks like you got a pet now, Landon.
And
Landon, did she fall asleep on you? Waking up. Oh, there she goes, Landon. She's waking up.
looking like she might take off in a second.
Can they get
So,
stressed?
they can get stressed. She doesn't look stressed to me. If she were really stressed, she'd actually be closing her eyes, and her eyes are, and so she's kind of sitting there.
Protecting herself.
Yeah.
So she's okay.
Let me do this. I'm gonna put her in my hand and raise her up.